Hello everyone, you are watching The Conclusive Indian. And today we have Nandini ma'am with us, discussion with her on the upcoming occasion of Women's Day. So today is we gonna talk about the topics like women empowerment, feminism, social work, and what's the condition of the women's in today's era, and what about the early era. So welcome ma'am, welcome to
Thank you so
Conclusive Indian.
much. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, I heard you speaking that you used to be a feminist. If you used to work for the sake of the feminism and the women empowerment, what do you think in today's era? What the society really needs? Like, do they need a feminist? Do they need a social worker? Do they need a motivational speaker? Or what the society needs for the sake of development of women in the
Women.
society?
Okay, let me clarify. I have never enrolled myself officially anywhere as a feminist.
Okay.
Okay, you can always say I'm a pro woman.
Okay.
Always. I have been like this. Yeah, I used to get agitated as a student, which is very natural to, again, whenever there are discrimination against girl child or whatever, you raise up, you raise your voice.
Mhm.
So if that is feminism, then I'm a feminist. Otherwise, I'm a pro woman.
Mhm.
For a simple reason, I use this word pro woman because I know the present day generation may not understand whatever I'm saying, but in my generation there was lot of gender imperative.
Mhm.
Thankfully for me, my mother's family or my husband's family, both sides never treated me any less.
Okay.
Including my mother-in-law or father-in-law, they have always, and my husband
Mhm.
is a big supporter of me,
Mhm.
and whatever I am doing, whatever I am today is 900% I give it to my husband.
Mhm.
But for his support, I would not be what I am. And very interestingly, I also had people around me, maybe in the form of journalists, maybe in the form of friends, maybe in the form of colleagues, who supported me all the time. Whenever I have taken lead of institutions or wherever I have worked in a very comfortable and conducive environment. I have not personally, as such, except initially there were some hiccups, but otherwise, I have worked in a very conducive,
Mhm.
comfortable situation. But I know in the society this discrimination, because whatever is my personal experience may not be applicable to others. I have
Mhm.
seen this with my friends, the discrimination the happening with my friends, discrimination happening with my colleagues, and things like that. So here you have to give in a lot.
Okay.
So you asked me a question, what does a society needs?
Exactly.
See, this society needs primarily to break this coding, and it has to decode the codes
Mhm.
which are already built, that man is strong, man is empowered. uh, I have seen a friend of mine who are, even woman has to be financially, the woman who is earning is empowered. No, I don't see that. Also, I've seen woman who, a colleague of mine who was earning but still not still not feeling good that she's financially stable, because every pie she earned was taken by her husband forcefully,
Okay.
despite he earning very good, right? So, I mean, I'm not against saying a woman who is earning need not or should not, or man should not seek the financial support of a woman. No, I'm not saying that. But I have seen, despite of man being in a very comfortable situation, taking the financial small peanuts
Hmm.
also from a woman.
Okay.
Now, what does the society need? Let's come back to that.
Yeah.
What the society needs is the education,
Okay.
right? Like education that orients particularly mothers. Particularly, I'm sorry, I keep attacking mothers here a lot, because that umbilical cord attachment is so strong
Mm-hmm.
between the child and the mother. It gives lot of coding.
Exactly.
So that concept that a boy child is great, a girl child is nothing, that feel without your knowledge is spread.
Mm.
So a woman, or this work is a woman's work. Hey, why do you want to sweep the floor? You are a man. You should not hold a broomstick in your. All those things are codified messages sent knowingly or unknowingly by a woman, particularly mother, to her son.
Okay.
And the broomstick looks very natural with a girl and not with a man. Why so? See, even when it comes to cooking, let us take another concept called cooking.
Okay.
In the house, in
Mm.
any ordinary house, man entering kitchen is kind of forbidden.
Mm-hmm.
अरे वो आया है, उसको बिठा दो, चाय पिला दो. Woman and man both come from work together.
Mm.
Man sits and relax in front of the TV. Woman enters the kitchen and makes tea, despite of being tired, and she offers him the tea, and she also drinks the tea.
Mm.
Now, I'm not against, but who are the main chefs in the hotels?
Exactly.
It's all men.
Of course.
Women, there are women these days,
Mm.
right? But who are the people who are working for weddings
Mm.
or mass cooking and all that? Again, maybe you will say, oh, it's a power.
Mm.
You have to do so many things. Women are delicate. No, I don't believe in all those things.
Mm.
If I have seen women lifting heavy suitcases and throwing in the uh, dicky of a vehicle, women are capable of doing. I've seen my own students who one particular batch which had only girls, doing all the arrangements, stage arrangement, desk
Mm.
arrangement, lifting the desks,
Mm.
to make space for an event at Manipal. I've seen all that.
Okay.
So uh, please do not code, don't filter, no, don't seep in those code into the DNA of next generation. That need to be broken.
Okay.
So woman should be educated from her mother. The next generation of women should be educated value based, ethical based, and um, equity based,
Okay.
right? So both. I'm not saying mother should only orient girl, mother should also orient boy. She
Exactly.
should know how to she should teach her son to respect a woman,
Exactly.
right? And I think we need such for that uh, uh, we need such more and more people who can talk
Mm.
to women, and more such, and all those things can happen only in educational institution.
Okay.
Such in the name of women's day, you
Mhm.
can conduct workshops, and you can the students of next generation, because I can even remember when I joined job, and when we started when we I was involved in women's day celebration. It was more boys who came to me, ma'am, tomorrow is women's day, we want to be part of it.
Mm.
I was like, You are a boy, you want to be part of a Women's Day program?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am, why not? We have compassion for women, our girlfriends.
Exactly.
Uh, I mean, when I say girlfriends, don't decode it. I mean, don't code it as special.
Hmm.
A friend
Got it.
who is a girl is a girlfriend,
Girlfriend only.
right?
Yeah.
So, we need such men, compassionate men. We need such women. Both are necessary for this society, not just one gender.
Okay. So, ma'am, as we say that the charity begins at home,
Hmm.
so we got to know that you also have a girl child.
Yeah, I have
So,
two.
okay, two girl childs. Okay. So, like, what precautions you take, or what kind of environment you provided them, like the
Okay.
other girls don't get in the society for the sake of empowerment and.
Okay. See, I don't know about other families. I am not a person to talk about other families.
Okay.
But when it comes to my girls,
Hmm.
I have given my best to them.
Okay.
I have never told them this is a man's job, or this is only a girl's job. You should don't being a girl, you should behave like this only.
Hmm.
No, but I have educated them about the essence of being a woman.
Hmm.
See, that basic quality of a woman should not be lost as you teach them, you make them physically, mentally strong. I have oriented them physically, mentally strong.
Okay.
Come whatever situation, you have to face it. You have to fight for your rights. Don't compromise anywhere on the value system.
Hmm.
You cannot compromise on the values. Don't yield to any temptation so that you compromise on the values.
Hmm.
So based on these things only, and let them do what they have wanted.
Hmm. Okay.
uh, yeah.
Okay.
So that maximum, what do you say, uh, I have stood with them for their mistakes also. I mean, whatever, in all sense, as I see as a mother. Of course, despite of doing all this, children will have issues with
Exactly. Yeah.
their parents. Maybe they have, but
Hmm.
from my side,
Hmm.
and they say also you have oriented as well, ma. So
Okay.
I feel happy. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for just being with us, for being. So this was Saptarishi Shashwat, and you are watching The Conclusive Indian. Be with us.